As a content creator, one of the things I do, which I think it's a little bit unique, is I love taking selfies a lot. Selfies or recording selfie videos by myself using my phone or my device a lot. And trust me, throughout my recording process and taking of pictures process, I've dropped my phone at least more than 50 times. Sometimes holding the phone, it becomes so tiring and the phone becomes slippery. And before you know it, the phone is dropping on the floor. And I know a lot of people out there has also been making this mistake. I was making this mistake, dropping my phone, holding it, and I'm unable to record the video up to the extent or standard at which I want my video to be recorded because of the grip. My hand cannot grip the phone well. The phone feels slippery. Until I came across this device online. When I came across this device, trust me, I became a pro in taking selfies and recording selfie videos. No matter how long, I won't feel tired or any discomfort. It is a grip that you use to snap, right? So this is how the device comes in a box like this. A manual for the device and the device itself with a power cord. This is the device and the power cord. I know people will be asking what's the power cord for. I'm going to explain to you what the purpose of the power cord is. This device also has its own camera button here, as you can see right here. So once you grip the device, you now use this button to take a selfie or snap a picture or do anything. With the power cord, you use the power cord to charge up this selfie sensor. So you use the power cord to charge this sensor. You plug it here and you charge the sensor. After charging the sensor, you plug it back in here. You plug the sensor back in there. How does the device work? All you need is to get this device. Once you get the device, get your phone, as mine here, attach it to the device this way, and you're good to go. As you can see, one advantage of this device is that it has a very powerful and good, comfortable grip here. With this grip, once you grip it, trust me, no matter who pulls it out, it will not leave your hand and you will not get tired. This device also has this little other magnet which comes along with. With this magnetic ring, it has a paper side of it. This paper part of it, you peel it off and it has a sticky gum on it which you use it to attach on your phone casing or your phone. Should in case the device is not magneting on your phone as it is magneting on mine, you can see mine magneting without the magnetic ring. You can see mine is good to go, very strong, very firm and good to go. Should in case yours is not magneting, if you're using a material which is not magnetable on your phone casing, you can peel this off, attach it to your phone casing, and then you'll be able to magnet on this magnetic ring from your phone or any device. How do you get this device? Click the link at the description below of this video and get your own device. Very cheap and affordable. So once you grip this device, all you need to do with this power button here, with this camera button here, when you connect, you pair it up with your Bluetooth device, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth device. Once you pair it up with your device, all you need to do is to press this button here and you see yourself taking selfies or recording videos or doing whatsoever thing you want to do with it. Once you pair it up, just all you need to do is to turn it on, turn on your Bluetooth device and pair new device. That is good. You're good to go. Open up your camera, press the button, and it will be taking pictures or recording. How do you get this device? To get this device is very simple. All you need to do right now in order to order for your own device, rush to the description below and click the link and get your own device. Very cheap and affordable. It has a very good grip. Look at the grip. Very beautiful grip here where you can grip and you never get tired. Just imagine gripping like this, guys, instead of holding like this. Just imagine. You'll never get tired. So run to the description below and grab your own device. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section below and comment with any device you'd like me to review for you to grab. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay blessed. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscription button and subscribe. See you in my next video.